The buffet table will provide you with a number of magical color changing dyes and clearly labeled acid and base solutions which will make the colors change. Here I have 3 tubes of water. This is a good way for you to start your experiments. I'm adding drops of dye to the water. Notice I only need a few drops of dye to make a distinct color in the water. And now I'll experiment with adding acids and bases to these colored solutions. To the second tube I'll add some strong acid. It's dilute HCl. And I get a color change. To the third tube I'll add some weak base. It's ammonia. And again I get a nice color change. So I encourage you to experiment. We have lots of different colors that you can make with the dyes on the table. Here's a wide variety of colors made with the dyes at the buffet table. Your lab station will have 3 flasks with stoppers provided. Eyedropper tips will enable you to make a secure seal between the stopper and this tube. And then I've given you some plastic tubing to make connections between flasks. So you can easily imagine making a connection here. But you will notice that my flask gets very unstable when I do that. So I have also provided each station with 3 clamps which can be used to securely grip the flasks so that they do not fall over. So be safe, don't be sorry. Safe and secure. As you can see, it's possible to make a nice connection between 2 flasks using the eyedropper tips and the flexible plastic tubing. However, it is possible that you may want to use a glass straw, and I will show you how to safely use one of those if you desire. Here I have a stopper. Here are the glass straws in the box. You do not want to jam the glass through the stopper. It won't fit properly. So we'll use glycerol as a lubricant, and we'll also take precautions so that if the glass does crack, it doesn't damage your hand. The glycerol is you've used it before in the organic liquid lab. It's the gooey syrupy liquid. I'll put a little glycerol on the stopper itself. I'll put a little glycerol on the end of the glass rod. The glycerol will not hurt your skin, so it's in a lot of hand lotions. Now I've wrapped a paper towel around the glass rod, and I will try to get the glass rod to go through the stopper. I'm twisting. If it's giving me too much resistance, I'll back off, try again, a little more glycerol. What I want is that it would slide through easily, like so. So that is the safe way to put a glass rod through a stopper. If you're afraid to do this, I can help you. And you may not need it at all. Since there are so many variables in this lab, it is unrealistic that your first trial will be successful. In such a situation, the important thing is to fail quickly. If you do your first reaction with an hour left on the clock, there'll be plenty of time for you to fix your mistakes, say we like this part but we need to change this part. On the other hand, if you wait to run your reaction until there's only 10 minutes left, then you won't have time to fix the mistakes to make it better. So fail quickly, learn from your mistakes, make changes that improve the process. On the second or third try, that's when you should expect success. At the end of the hour, dump liquids down the drain. You may have some solids in your flask. If so, decant the liquid. Get these leftover solids, shake them into the trash. Before you leave, you should make sure everything is clean and tidy for the next class. If you do have a stopper like this, it needs to be disassembled. I can help with that.